Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best portable TV stands that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Designs 2 Go 2-tier TV stand. You don't need heavy or bulky TV units or stand. With this stand, your TV will be well suited and very secure. It can handle a range of TV sizes and comes with a simple-to-mount design. It is compatible with different TV types and brands and is built from a strong material for longevity. In addition to that, the strong seams and joints ensure it doesn't crack or break due to weight or movement. It comes in a clutter-free design that keeps the surrounding well organized and added elegance. The high-quality piece is ranked among the most affordable. At number 4. Universal Flat Screen Tabletop TV Stand. You don't need to drill your walls or invest in wall units. This product is modern-looking and desirable. It's effortless to use thanks to its fully functional design and can be placed in many situations. This strongly built unit can support different TV sizes, weights, and brands without issues and is among the simplest to use. And like other top types, it's very movable but still remains firm. The contemporary design and finish bring out a sophisticated look that will look awesome with most interior decors, both modern and traditional. At number 3. Universal Tabletop Mount Stand. The Vivo TV stand is among the most functional and elegant pieces on the market. It can be found in many homes and business premises and is loved for many reasons. It's built from a hard-wearing metal that will last many years. It is light and compact, and this improves its movability, whereas the simple styles make fitting a TV easy. To add more value, the stand will support different TV sizes and remains steady so as to prevent the possibility of the TV falling. Good viewing is further improved by the adjustable TV height. At number 2. Universal Portable TV Stand. This universally designed stand is perfect for different types of TVs and will work with small, medium as well as large ones. The high-quality piece is made of durable metal that will handle regular movement, weight, and handling well. It is resistant to color fade, corrosion, rust and is also easy to maintain. Besides that, all that's required is wiping it with a clean cloth or rag. It's designed for flat TVs including plasma, LCD, and LED, and mounting a TV takes only a few minutes. The clutter-free and space-saving design improves organization and makes it ideal even for small spaces. At number 1. Portable TV Stand with Mount. This TV stand is known for its simplicity, portability, and affordability. It's suited for many sizes and has a simple but very effective mounting design. The height can be adjusted to vary the viewing and can also be moved quickly to suit varied requirements. Moreover, it features modern styling to complement different interior decors and can handle high weights well courtesy of the solid engineering and top-grade materials. It can be placed in different locations and will still look good. The unit is easy to maintain and doesn't get rusty, stained or corrode. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.